I watch the people passing by. I used to watch the falling rain and listen to the sweet birds sing. Every single word you hear now is coming right from my heart, this heart of mine. I've never felt like this before. This feeling.
Check me out right now. We're back in the I'm fueled with my passion, impossible to predict. My mind is a mansion, my heart is a gift. The world doesn't owe you shit, you owe the world everything. From the magic on this mic to their fake diamond rings, I create, rhyme and sing to get me where I am. Turn your headlights on, this is heaven where I stand. An adventure with the sand, people to push the purity. Kindly conduct this bitch beautifully. They tell us to sit down, my people don't stand up. Cause yes bro, SO is Houdini in handcuffs. Sunrise, moonshine, another day lives a little. Reminder from God, your money ain't shit. And that my ideas are bulletproof, my team's in a house. My hope can't be hung, my dreams can't be drowned. Man makes money, money doesn't make man. Monkey see, monkey do, this monkey's got the upper hand. Rejoice.
I walk the lonely streets. I watch the people passing by. I used to walk the falling rain and listen to the sweet birds sing.
Mother help me, it's happened to my brain again. The beat plays and the flames descend. So I become sapient to be at peace with my monsters. The swords from the stone, I'm the king of my genre. Yeah, I know I'm so robotic, dependent on machines to grow dope product. Making little seeds that'll die or stem out, making your head northwest bound. We've all made sacrifices like money and physical health, but I'm not ringing the bell, I'm cinching my belt up. When this bullshit blows, I never sold my soul, so there's a chance that I won't end up in hell thus far. But I know that things changed, I convinced the devil to free my soul on this instrumental. When my homeland security overheats, I'll be overseas smoking weed with Ism, Bliss and SO.
Every single word you hear now is coming right from my heart, this heart of mine. I've never felt like this before. This feeling that possesses me.
What? Yeah, I've been feeling alright, keeping the quietest kept approach, knowing that these crews are the next to blow up, right? Stand on my own 2 feet, we touch mics and demand that you focus, please. Feeling fortunate, learning that Portland is where the hemispheres converge in these coordinates. I kick gorgeous shit, yeah, of course we sick. One listen'll have you worshiping porcelain. I've been more than intrigued to feed you the knowledge that I gained when I ate from the tree's fruit. And now I pass it along, become a passionate man that puts cash in his palm, bringing action to plans, and my back's getting strong. Feel like Atlas and my fam as a faction belongs. On the tip of your tongue, I spit to the drums, while the basers on a rampage, it's only begun. It's like
I walk the lonely streets. I watch the people passing by. I used to walk the falling rain and
Yo, check it out, yeah.
sweet birds sing.
Yo, we gotta stop living for I and start living for we. Cause we all ball on this ball together, spinning so free. I sing in the breeze, but they won't stay to listen. Cause individually, they think we don't make a difference. Time to blow and break the business, put the system in the spin. I'm that midnight vagabond who's drifting in the wind, who just listens with a grin through chaos that man's facing. I'm speaking clearly, but it's like it's lost in translation.
It's Paul. I just listened to the entire album, and you gotta be fucking kidding me. I mean, with this Christopher...